We are now going to review the steps to installing the drinking water faucet. A minimum 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inch diameter hole is required. If your sink has a spare pre-drilled hole for a soap dispenser or spray hose, you can mount the faucet there. When drilling a hole for the RO faucet, choose a location that is most convenient for dispensing the pure water. A flat area is required for faucet location so that the faucet base can be secured sufficiently. Please wear protective eyewear while performing any type of drilling. Make sure the faucet stem will be accessible from below when the hole is drilled. If space is not available on the upper sink area, the faucet can be located on the countertop by the edge of the sink. If the countertop is ceramic tile, the method for drilling the hole will be the same as for porcelain sinks. Once the hole has been drilled, the faucet can now be mounted. Before sliding the faucet stem through the hole, slide the faucet disc and black rubber washer up to the faucet base first. The spout can rotate 360 degrees, allowing the base to be mounted with the black handle facing the sink or away. Now, slide the faucet stem through the countertop hole. Under the countertop, slide the small washer up the stem, followed by the black locating washer. Next, slide up the lock washer. Secure the faucet by tightening the lock nut by hand. Then, secure with an adjustable wrench. Once the faucet is secured, attach the faucet adapter to the stem. Simply screw the threaded end to the stem, as no Teflon tape is needed. There are 2 ways to dispense water. Press down on the faucet handle or lift up on the handle to lock the automatically dispensed water. The faucet is now completely assembled. The RO unit is most commonly installed under the sink, but can be installed anywhere feed water is available. You can install the unit in the basement, crawl space, and even the garage. The frame of the unit comes with 2 pre-drilled holes. This will allow you to easily mount the unit to a wall or fixture. However, the system can stand on its own and does not have to be mounted. The storage tank is pressurized so it can be installed upright or laid on its side to save space. If the tank cannot fit under the kitchen sink, it can be placed elsewhere up to 20 feet away from the RO system without much pressure loss. Now that you have installed the drinking water faucet and positioned the system, please check out our next video on completing the tubing connections.
This, that, and that. Crispy and crunchy. All made from that. The microwave with Flash Express broiler. All of the speed and convenience of a microwave, now with the crispy texture you've been craving. The Panasonic microwave with Flash Express broiler has advanced inverter technology, plus dual infrared heating, so your food is cooked quickly and evenly every time. The Flash Express broiler function allows you to create meals that are perfectly browned and crispy, fast. And with infrared technology, there's no preheating required. Just turn on your oven and you're ready to cook instantly, saving you both time and energy. The convenient auto cook options make it easy for foods to be perfectly prepared with the touch of a button. Save time with the dual cooking option, allowing the broiler and the microwave to work simultaneously. Your food will be crunchy on the outside and cooked perfectly on the inside. And when you're finished, the easy clean interior makes cleanup a breeze. Make more of what you love more easily with the all-new microwave with Flash Express broiler, only by Panasonic.